Now today in this module, I am here to give you a short revision practice of the syllabus which is important for your exams. So let us begin with the short question answer.
First question from economics which may be asked in the MCQ, very important and common one is the rural area in India, the accepted average calorie requirement per person per day is 2100 calories, 2400 calories, 2300 calories or 2400 calories. So children, answer is 2400 calories. Second question which can be asked, what are the two main causes of poverty in India? Options are low level of economic development under the British colonial administration or a high growth rate of population, none of these, or both option A and B. So answer is both option A and B. Third question is, what was the new name given to the Bolshevik Party? Russian Communist Party, Liberals Party, Bolshevik Party or Bolshevik Party? Answer is Russian Communist Party. Let us see towards very short answer type of questions. Question 4 is, who was the ruler of Russia during October Revolution? So children, answer is Kerensky was the ruler of Russia during the October Revolution. Next question in the same, mention the most significant result of the February Revolution. As we all know, the result of February Revolution was the abdication of Tsar Nicholas II. Abdication means removal of or overthrown. Question number 6. This question is from economics, poverty as a challenge. For how many days Manrega provides employment? As we all know, Manrega provides employment for 100 days.
Short question answers becomes very easy and interesting to attempt and to score good marks. Now children, we need to go towards the long question answers where we used to check our writing skill and we used to apply our understanding of concept. Here we need to take care of our handwriting, overwriting as well as spelling mistakes. So now we are going to discuss how to write the long question answers and some important questions. So let's begin.
This question is taken from economics, poverty as a challenge. First of all, what is poverty and what are the dimensions of poverty is very important and common question. So answer is, poverty is a situation in which a person is unable to get the minimum necessity of life. Due to the poverty, poor people are in situation in which they are ill-treated at almost every place. Now, the dimension of poverty are, poverty means hunger and lack of shelter. It is a situation in which parents are not able to send their children to school or a situation where sick people cannot afford treatment. In this way, we can measure by understanding the situation of people whether they are able to fulfill the basic requirement of their family or for themselves or not. And by measuring this situation, we can categorize them under the poverty section. Now moving toward another dimension, poverty is also means that the lack of sanitation and water facilities. It also means the lack of regular job at minimum decent level. Or we may say poor people are in a situation in which they are ill-treated at almost every places in farm, factories and so on. Now next question taken from the history chapter is Socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution. Question is, explain the main demand of April thesis. For this question, children, you may start from here. In April 1917, the Bolshevik leader Vladimir Lenin returned to Russia from his exile. He and his party members had opposed the war since 1914. Now, he felt that it was the right time for Soviet to take over the power. He put 3 demands which were known as Lenin's April thesis, and these demands were, he declared that the war to be ended, and this war was World War I. Land to be transferred to the peasants and the bank to be nationalized.
After discussion of pattern of writing long question answers and important questions in the long question answers, now we are proceeding towards the map skill. Children, map skill is again very much scoring and easy to attempt. So let's understand how to do map work and what are the important questions related to the chapter. So let's begin.
From chapter History, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution, world map based question can be asked, and the question may be in this form: On the given outline map of world, 4 features are marked. These are the countries that are elite pass in the First World War. Identify them. It will be marked in the given map and you have to mention just name. So number 1 America, 2 England, 3rd Russia and 4th France. All these should be according to their number.
So that's all in the revision session of this module. Stay happy, stay safe and keep on doing your revision nicely and do well in your exam.